So hello guys, you're welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be going through the weekly outlook for the brand new week, which will be starting from today, 9th November 2025. So price for the past 2 weeks has been really bearish, with lots and lots of sells, which at most are corrections. So without any further delay, let's dive right into it. So during the course of the last weekly outlook, I actually spotted out a level whereby I was observing that if price actually got to that point, if we didn't sell or if we didn't buy with the market open and we sold, we had two options which you could actually see from the screen, or if you watch the last weekly outlook you would actually see that. So price actually held up to that and actually picked up the buys from this point right here, which whereby it reacted beautifully. So let me first of all go up to 1 week time frame so that we could actually see everything that I've done here, so everybody would actually understand why I actually marked out everything that I marked out. So when we come up to 1 week time frame, first thing you notice is I actually marked out the previous week high and the previous week low also. And if you notice, from the past 2 weeks now, this is the first time that we actually closed with a bullish candle, and we actually closed within above the FVG, whereby it's still giving us a signal that price is actually giving that bullish build up or bullish momentum. So if we go down to, let's go down to 1 day time frame. And when we come back down to 1 day time frame, we could see this FVG on the 1 day time frame, whereby price had tapped into it initially, and we could see the whole bullish build up here, and how price rejected from that FVG that we got a second tap with last week, and price still gave bullish reaction to it. So basically what I'm expecting is, with this reaction now, most likely what we should see is a close above 40.30, and once we get that, price will easily chase 4,109 and possibly go as high as moving towards 80. Basically this is actually what I'm expecting. I was actually expecting this to happen with last week, with this candle here, price holding up to it and buying, but price went a little bit lower and picked from a lower side, from a lower portion, and still held up with it. But I'm actually expecting price to hold up, and already from what we could even see from the daily time frame, after this whole selling pressure that happened here, this candle signaled as though sellers were trying to come back into the game. But then if we got a full body close, or we got a bearish candle that went down lower, we would see something that probably would have gone down a bit lower, as low as this. But rather, we saw price got a bullish candle that actually swept the high of the candle and even closed above 50% of it, which if we should take our fib to, would see something like this. So preferably what I wanted to see was price actually closing with full body above this guy. But then most likely now, with everything that we've seen now, let me go down to 4 hours. When I go down to 4 hours a bit, what I'm actually expecting to see is that with this week now, or from this level from Monday, we get something like this, a close above 40.30, and price possibly doing something like this. I was thinking that this was actually going to happen last week, but price got a little bit sluggish that we did not get that. But this is what I'm actually expecting, and you could even get a very easy trade from this level. This price is going to actually hold up with the whole bullish bias, something like this, of this nature. Could keep your stop somewhere here, or price could actually even give us a tap here, something like this, and easy run about 1,000 pips actually, something like that. If we should even go down to 1 hour time frame, we could actually get more clarity. Yeah, so basically this is actually what I'm expecting. But then if price feels to close above this level and break out of all of this, what I actually expect to see is most likely we might see price pushing down a bit lower, something like this, and chasing towards this level or as low as this. Why did I pick this level? Because this point in particular, after price picked up our buys from this level, I actually called the buy trade here on my VIP channel, whereby we've taken 50% of partials already, over 700 pips. But then I actually expected that with this move here, price was actually going to pick orders here, but price did not actually do it. It just kept on pushing up higher. And if we should take our fib to a mark from this low to the point where price broke this point here, this point in particular here, we did not actually get the retracement that tapped back into this level. But then already we had the whole FVG here that price picked from. And also if we come up to this point, if we go up to 4 hours time frame, we could see this FVG here that price will have easily used to push down lower. We could see the whole tap here that price pushed in, but then price still closed above it. So that's majorly one of the reasons why I expect the whole bullish move too. But if price fails to do that and closes below it, I expect price to push down lower a bit towards this 39, 40, 44 levels. So basically this is actually what I'm expecting for the new week. So if you're not part of the channel, join the channel with the link in the description. November is already running hot. We closed October pretty hot too, so we're going to be making crazy money. We've already been making good progress too, and be a part of the team. So I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So thank you for watching.